The sensibility analysis is a tool that we can use to study the changes that are produced in a changeable when there introduced a few variables in the financial form. Just like that, the sensibility analysis works to allow a company or entity to predict the results that they get determined project. Also, it is fundamentally to understand the problems, the limitations, and the reach of any decisions that it takes about it. The sensibility analysis is also known as a hypothetical analysis because it's fundamental to determine how the different values that can adopt an independent variable that leads to a dependent variable.
I will show you where we can find the sensibility analysis section. For this, we must have done our data in Solver. We click on Solve and then we look on the right side for sensibility and click on In and then click on OK. It will show us the sensibility analysis.
Now, let's apply what we have learned. We have the following problem. Show algebraically that all the basic solutions of the following linear programming are infactable. We have two variables, x1 and x2. We have as objective function math c equal x1 plus x2. To establish this objective function, we use the formula sum product that multiplies the variables by the values that we don't know. We have only three restrictions. x1 represented by 1 plus 2x2 represented by 2 must be less than or equal to 6, and so on. 2x2 plus x2 less than or equal to 16. x1 plus x2 less than or equal to 0. All of the above is placed on the right side of the equality because the limit must be less or equal. Once we have established the restrictions, we place on the left side of the equality the formula sum product and drag to the cells below. As next step, we have the resolution of the problem through Solver option. We go to the Data tab in the Solver option. We will find a tab that says Set Object, where we will enter our object function. We select the Math option, select the cells of the variables that will change. We add the restrictions in the Add button. It is very important to be clear which is the left and the right side of the equality. At the cells of the left side, select the required signs, in this case less or equal, at the cells on the right side, and click on Accept. Finally, we have to check these facts and select the solving method Simplex LSP. Click on Solve and Accept.
Okay, at the moment of solution the exercise with Solver shows a window that says a solution was found. Here we can see that next to it are reports, where we will select the one of sensibility and we will give again a set. It will turn use a new tab called sensibility report. Here we will make some calculations to take out the maximize and minimize. Maximize. and maximize. In the same way, we'll do the same, but this time taking into account the restriction of the right side.
Now that we have our first solution and after we created the sensibility analysis, we can change the numbers the problem allows us so we get the best solution for this situation. First of all, the analysis shows us that we can maximize 1 plus x2 and it becomes 2. And in constraint 3, we must add 6 to the number we previously had, which gives us 6. We apply solver again and this solution tells us that we need to price our second product in $2 and we need to produce 3 of those, so we get a profit of $6 overall. We hope you've learned something today and we'll see you next time. Thank you!